morning, my name is Anna Grabowska, and today I would like to share with you my video tutorials about activities in TPA. I must say that my decision was just to find out what kind of activities would be the most suitable for people over 60, over 70 or over 80. It means that it shouldn't be a lot of them, and it must be very useful to enable them to understand why we are going to engage them in different activities. Let's start with going to teacher practice area. When we are there and we are registered as users, then we should click on turn editing on. Now we will be in so-called editing mode, and each of participants, they've got their own subject to continue with suggesting activities within. I started from watching presentation instructions prepared by Nelly. It is really very useful to start with this. Then I decided to add several activities that I think for people over 60 will be really useful. I started with assignments, and this assignment I decided to start with because I usually start our academic year with talking about our subject we are going to work at during a new academic year. So the assignment is very simple, and I just asked the seniors about adding very short proposal for the topic we will work at the exact academic year. So they should answer just in 3 sentences, not more, what they want to do, when they want to do, and why they decided the subject to work at. Then let's go further. Then I add a BigBlueButton option. This is just for those who are interested in taking part in online communication with a teacher, this activity doesn't take part very often, because this is mainly addressed to those who are staying at home when they are ill or they cannot come to our face-to-face meeting at university. Which is really important, is just to enable our students over 60 to take part in discussion on forums. So I usually ask them about taking part in our discussion once a week. Okay, the very useful activities I usually offer for our seniors is choice. The choice I usually use for just checking who is who takes part in face-to-face meeting, or who is taking part in a distance. This is some kind of statistics. Thank you for your attention.